Yeah, a lot of you have been asking if Moby's a Martian. A Martian is someone or something that comes from the planet Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. Moby doesn't come from Mars. Actually, he's from... Moving on. Mars is known as the Red Planet because of its reddish, iron-rich soil. It has two moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are probably captured asteroids from the nearby asteroid belt. Out of all of the planets in our solar system, Mars is probably the most similar to Earth. It's only about half the size of our planet, but Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, and windstorms just like Earth. The Martian day is 24 hours and 37 minutes long, almost exactly as long as an Earth day. That's right, Moby, Mars has water, but not like you'd find on the Earth. Yeah, that does look like a dry riverbed. In fact, when humans first saw those formations, they called them canals. People imagined a planet much like Earth with flowing water and trees and flowers and maybe even a civilization of Martians. But the truth is, Mars is a cold, dry desert. The average surface temperature on Mars is about minus 55 degrees Celsius, but these temperatures can range anywhere from minus 133 degrees Celsius at the poles in winter to almost 27 degrees Celsius on the day side in summer. It has a thin atmosphere made of 95% carbon dioxide with trace amounts of other gases like nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and water vapor. Just over 0.1% of the atmosphere is oxygen, so you and I wouldn't be able to breathe there. And that water we were talking about? It's frozen up in the polar ice caps and possibly under the surface and in vapor form in the atmosphere. Well, that's the thing. There's a lot of evidence to suggest that liquid water did flow across the Martian surface at one point. There's those riverbed-like formations, sediments that look like they were deposited by running water, and even plains that might have once held oceans. And recent satellite photos suggest that even today, small gullies are being formed by small amounts of water trickling out of the ground. While all of these formations could have been created by some other natural process, one of the most popular explanations is that Mars used to have a lot of water on it. The question is, what happened to it all? Why did the climate on Mars change so drastically? It's a real mystery. Yes, it is a real mystery. Hopefully one that both current and planned missions to the Red Planet will be able to solve. You do not know what happened to all the water. I'm ignoring you.